Good morning, everyone. Our team Tech Role Innovators, welcome to our project showcase. Myself Harshit. Let me introduce you to our fellow teammates.
Myself Pravas.
Myself Vishnu.
Our team, Tech Role Innovators, is passionate about harnessing technology to transform life. Our team is dedicated to develop a cutting-edge solution that make a meaningful difference. Currently, we are focused on a groundbreaking project, the Smart Navigator. This innovative project aims to enhance the mobility and independence for individuals with mobility challenges. Through advanced voice recognition technology, here is a look at the team driving this exciting initiatives. Harshit Tiwari, Pravas, and Vishnu. We are from Ramami Public School Merit Van of class 10B. The problem will be described by Harshit.
Existing wheelchair control systems are not sufficient accommodating the needs of individuals with severe physical impairments. These systems can be heavy or difficult to carry, require physical extension or lack of intuitive interface, need for seamless operation. As a result, user may experience frustration, reduced independence, and barrier to fulfill participation in our daily activities. Here is a graph of how men and women are handicapped face difficulties. The solution of our problem is a voice-enabled wheelchair. Is designed to enhance mobility and independence for individuals with physical disabilities. Here is detailed description of purpose solution, highlighting its key feature and specific innovation. Key features: voice recognition system, obstacle detection, Bluetooth connectivity, health monitor, battery management. Specific innovations: seamless integration with IoT, customizable voice command, enhanced safety features, user-friendly mobile application, module design.
Voice control wheelchair. Our project is just a prototype, but it works on the voice commands which will be given by us or by the user. Will also give us quick response. In our project, we have used Arduino Uno SC05 module, motor driver, lithium-ion battery, 4 batteries along with tires attached in them and a switch. For our prototype, we have used the basic material to build it up. If we get a proper technical support and some financial help, we can create a truly well-developed wheelchair which can work on gesture control.
Implementation of our plan. Voice control wheelchair. Creating a voice control wheelchair using Arduino and a Bluetooth module involves several essential steps. Initially, you need to set up the hardware by connecting a Bluetooth module like SC05 and motor drive module to Arduino, enabling a control over the wheelchair. What are the objectives of voice control wheelchair? A voice control wheelchair makes it easy for a physically disabled person who cannot control their movement of hands. Powered by wheelchair depends on motors for control their movement. Control their locomotion and voice recognition command. The circuit comprises of an Arduino HM2007 voice recognition module and motor. What are the objectives of smart wheelchair? The objectives of smart wheelchair is reduce users' effort in controlling the wheelchair to ensure safety during movement. What is the function of the wheelchair? The intelligent wheelchair is easy to operate with and featuring automatic cruise control functions along with user to control the wheelchair movement through simple manipulation. This also makes the intelligent wheelchair more suitable for brain-computer interface with fewer commands. Thank you.